Welcome everyone to a new series on perspective drawing. Throughout this series, I aim to cover all there is to know on the subject, explaining the various techniques and methods involved. Perspective is fundamental when it comes to drawing successfully, and you've likely heard of the term before, but if you are a beginner, there's a chance that you might not know what it is. Perspective in the graphic arts is an approximate representation, generally on a flat surface, of an image as it is seen by the eye. It allows us to create a sense of space, to draw three-dimensionally on a two-dimensional plane. It's necessary when it comes to drawing pretty much anything, and it's hard to even imagine that there was once a point in time when artists didn't even know what it was. Before the discovery of perspective, artists would struggle to depict the three-dimensional world in their artwork, at least until this guy came along, Filippo Brunelleschi. He conducted an experiment which led to the discovery of linear perspective. This famous experiment involved using mirrors to sketch the Florence baptistry in perfect perspective. Realizing that all parallel lines would converge to a single point, he was able to mathematically calculate the scale of objects within a painting in order to make them appear realistic. And so from that point on, this method was studied and applied by many artists. Due to an understanding of perspective, artists could now produce convincing scenes in their artwork, and now centuries later, in the present day, perspective is imperative. In the pursuit of learning how to draw, it's something that we cannot overlook. But perspective can be complex and sometimes overwhelming for beginners. That is why we have to start with the basics and work our way up. That is what I intend to do throughout this series. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please leave a like. Be sure to subscribe with the notifications on to stay up to date, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You can also find me on various social media. All of those will be listed in the description. That is all from me today. I will see you in the next video.